Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. First and foremost, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Alphonse Aldemayao, and today we were going to present about the basic microeconomics concepts. What is microeconomics? Microeconomics is the study of how individuals and firms make decisions regarding the allocation of limited resources. It zooms in on factors like utility or satisfactions, costs, production, and profit. The main goal is to understand how to use resources efficiently.
Hi, I'm John Lloyd P. Bernat, and I will be discussing the implicit and explicit costs. Implicit costs, there are direct, out-of-pocket expenses a business pays. Example of this is rent, materials, and salaries. While the explicit costs, these are the opportunities costs representing what a business owner gives up by using their resources in one way rather than another. And the example of this is the value of the owner's time, effort, and resources.
Go.
The next is the fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs, these costs do not change with the level of production. Example includes rent and insurance. While the variable costs, these costs change depending on how much is being produced. Example of this is materials and electricity. The next is the fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs, these costs do not change with the level of production. Example includes rent and insurance. While the variable costs, these costs change depending on how much is being produced. Example of this is materials and electricity.
3.
Other example of this is bakery rent is fixed while the cost of flour is variable.
Productions and profit relationship. Productions and profit generally have a positive relationship up to a certain point. As a production increase, profit tends to increase as well. Profit formula. Profit is calculated as total revenue minus total cost equals revenue total cost. Profit decline if cost increase faster, that revenue profit will decrease. A graph showing a curve of productions versus profit, illustrating the point where the profit starts to decline. Entrepreneurships. This involves organization resources to produce goods or services. Example, coffee shop, land, coffee, space, labor, baritas, capital, espresso machine, entrepreneurship owner.
Application example, sweet brew coffee. Utility customer satisfaction from enjoying coffee and coffee experience. Cost expenses like rent, supply, and owner's time. Production, efficiently making coffee and other drink. Profit earned when the coffee's revenue is greater than its total cost. Factor of production, land, coffee paste, labor, baristas, capital, expressions, machine, entrepreneurship only.
Conclusion. Summary. Microeconomics helps explain how people and businesses make smart choices. Integration. The core concept of utility, cost, and production all come together to determine profit.